guys, and welcome back to Everyday Living with simplymercyb. It's a snowy day here in Georgia, and it is definitely soup weather. And today we're going to be making a taco soup. So let me show you the ingredients that you're going to need. So our base, we're going to need some Rotel tomato, and I have 2 cans of those. I have some cream cheese here, and yes, we're going to need some Velveeta cheese. Beautiful, beautiful. This is going to be nice and creamy. I'm going to add some black beans to my soup, as well as a bag of frozen whole kernel corn. I have 1 onion that I'm going to add to my ground turkey. And for my ground turkey, I like to use the 85-15. And we're going to use about 2 pounds of this 15-ounce packet here. For our seasonings, we're going to need some taco seasoning, as well as 1 packet of your dry ranch dressing seasoning. And I also found this Southwest Chipotle seasoning by Mrs. Dash. It has no salt. So if you want to bump up the flavor and make it nice and bold, we can do that without being compromised by that sodium. And we're going to let everything simmer down in some beef broth. And I'm going to be using my slow cooker today, and it will be nice on your snow day here in Georgia. Let's go. Guys, this dish goes together pretty quickly. So the first thing I'm going to do, I turn my slow cooker on already, getting it warmed up. I'm going to go ahead and get my cheese in my slow cooker. We're going to add this complete 8-ounce block of our cream cheese. We have our slow cooker heating up. And now we're just going to kind of like cut our cheese into cubes and get it right into our slow cooker. This is nothing you have to do. You could just dump it all in and it's done. But this is just an extra step I like to take so everything can be evenly distributed from the jump. And for our Velveeta cheese, we're only going to need about 8 ounces of this one. And it is perfect the way they have it already measured out for us in 4-ounce increments here. So I know exactly where I need to cut. And I'm also going to take this and cut it into cubes. So now that we have put our 2 cheeses in, right now we have 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese in here, and we also have 1 8-ounce packet of cream cheese. And now we're just going to add our Rotel tomato. Our cheese has started to melt already. We're not going to drain it. Yes, this is the start of something very good. It's just like making a queso. I'm going to let this cook and get warm while I get my ground turkey cooked. Because I didn't get any clear instructions on that recipe, this is just my way of putting the soup together. I don't really think it's a wrong way. It's a slow cooker soup. We're just going to add our lid to it, and we're going to go ahead and cook our ground turkey. So now we just want to cook off 2 pounds of our ground turkey, and I'm just going to eyeball it. It's a 3-pound packet. I have my ground turkey over here cooking. And now I'm just going to go ahead and dice up an onion. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this salt-free Southwest Chipotle seasoning. So I want my meat to be well seasoned. I am a flavor builder, so I'm going to add a little butter to my meat. Just a little bit. Let's taste a piece. I think I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, but that flavor is good. Guys, these are my instructions. This is the way I see the recipe going. I'm just going to deglaze my pan a little bit with some of this beef broth. We don't want it to cook. We just deglazing the pan. We just finished grinding off our meat. Let's go ahead and check our cheese. This is our cheese and our Rotel tomato. Those flavors has already starting to melt and marry together. Now we just want to add our ground turkey to the pot. And that's exactly why we deglazed our pan, so we can get all that flavor out of the bottom. We're going to give it a stir. Ooh, y'all. This is going to be a good soup. Now, this is optional, but I like black beans and I like corn. So the recipe did call for that. I'm going to go ahead and put me 1 can of black beans in, as well as 1 bag of frozen corn. And that corn says super sweet. This is a good corn. I like that one. Let's go ahead and season everything up. We're going to add some taco seasoning to all of this. We're going to start with just maybe a half a packet to begin with. And then we're going to add some of that ranch seasoning. That ranch seasoning packet. Ooh, the flavors, the flavors, the flavors. Let's go add that whole packet. Oh my word. Yeah, I'm fixing to get ready to put you all in this pot so you all can see what I see. Okay guys, let's give it a taste. That is so good. Now, you can stop it right here and you can have yourself a hearty dip. But we're making a soup, so I'm going to add the remainder of my beef broth and we're going to let this slow cook. Let me let you take a look, a close-up. Guys, take a look at that. Ooh, that is going to be one hearty soup. We're going to let this soup simmer for about 4 hours on low. Then we're going to have us a hearty, delicious taco soup. Guys, our soup is complete. Let's go ahead and take a look. Take a look at that. I let this simmer for about 4 hours on high. So now all we need is all the trimmings that go with this beautiful taco soup. I cannot wait. We're gonna plate this up some. Guys, we have everything set up and we're about to plate up some of this taco soup. Give you a close-up. So these are the trimmings that I have selected to go with my taco soup. Right here I have the tortilla strips. I have some of the oyster crackers. I have croutons, shredded cheese, sour cream, and we also have some tortilla scoops. So the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to taste it without any toppings. That's good. That is delicious. So let's go ahead and make it cute and pretty it up. We'll add some cheese, a dollop of sour cream. I love sour cream. Go add a few of these tortilla strips to it. And that is our taco soup. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to go out and make you some taco soup. And this is my first run on this taco soup, but it is absolutely amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I will definitely be keeping this one close by. This is very good. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to see you right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.